To create and set up an Omnisend account for a client inside of Omnisend's partner portal, click Create Account, select Development Account, and enter all of the required information. Once you're done, click on Create Omnisend Account. You will now be able to access it from the partner portal and set up everything that your client needs. Once you're done and everything is ready to hand the account off, in the partner portal, click Transfer Ownership to invite your client to become the owner of the account. After they accept the invitation, you will still be able to access their account as a partner user, in case your client requires further assistance. And after the transfer is complete, you will automatically start receiving commissions for the client as soon as they start paying for Omnisend. To gain access to a client's existing account, click Create Account and select Request Access to an existing account, and enter the client's account ID. Your client can locate it in the store settings. Once the account owner accepts your invitation to collaborate, you will be able to log in into their account from the partner portal and help them out using Omnisend to its full potential.